Starting a new business can be an exciting journey, but it's easy to make mistakes along the way. Today, we're going to talk about 10 common mistakes new entrepreneurs make and how you can avoid them. First up, failing to plan properly. Many new entrepreneurs dive in without a clear business plan. This can lead to confusion and lack of direction. Make sure you outline your goals, target audience, and strategies from the start. Next, underestimating costs. It's easy to overlook all the expenses involved in starting a business. Make sure you budget for everything, including unexpected costs, so you don't run out of money too soon. Another common mistake is not understanding the market. You might have a great idea, but if there's no demand for it, you won't succeed. Do your research to understand your market and who your competitors are. Ignoring customer feedback is another big mistake. Your customers are your best source of information on what's working and what's not. Listen to their feedback and be willing to make changes. Trying to do everything alone is a mistake many new entrepreneurs make. It's tempting to wear all the hats, but you'll burn out quickly. Delegate tasks where you can and focus on what you do best. Neglecting marketing is a mistake that can cost you big time. No matter how great your product or service is, if people don't know about it, they won't buy it. Invest in marketing early and consistently. Another pitfall is pricing your product or service too low. While it might seem like a good idea to attract customers with low prices, it can devalue your brand and hurt your bottom line. Make sure your pricing reflects the value you're offering. Being afraid to pivot is a mistake that can hold you back. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to change direction. Successful entrepreneurs are flexible and adapt to changing circumstances. Not having a solid legal foundation is another mistake. Make sure your business is set up legally with the right licenses, permits, and contracts to protect yourself and your company. Finally, failing to take care of yourself. The hustle is real, but burnout is too. Make sure you're taking care of your physical and mental health. A healthy entrepreneur is a successful entrepreneur. So, there you have it, 10 common mistakes new entrepreneurs make and how to avoid them. Remember, planning, understanding your market, listening to feedback, delegating, marketing, pricing correctly, being flexible, setting up legally, and taking care of yourself are all key to your success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other aspiring entrepreneurs.